Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about bandsaws are versatile cutting tools that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Bandsaws are versatile cutting tools. There's an old adage about a craftsman only being as talented as his tools allow. There's truth to this, especially when it comes to using a bandsaw. While an underpowered bandsaw will make even the easiest cutting jobs a hassle, you'll likely find that a fragile or dull bandsaw blade to be a more persistent annoyance. While many bandsaws come with their own standard blades. Number 5. PowerTech 13104X Bandsaw Blade 59.5 inch. This precision cutting tool is constructed with an optimal geometric tooth arrangement that provides seamless cutting results. Main features: made from high carbon steel, heat resistance and guaranteed weld, flexible carbon hard edge blade. Number 4. Olsen Saw FB14593DB Heft Band 6 TPI Skip Saw Blade. These are heavy-duty, durable, commercial-grade bandsaw blades for industrial and professional craftsmen. Floor-standing two-wheel bandsaws. Main features: easy to installation, non-ferrous metal, manufactured in China. Number 3. Lennox Tools Portable Bandsaw Blades. The bimetal construction allows the blades to bend and not break or shatter, allowing for extended blade life. The professional performance provides the user a great cost per cut value. Main features: long-lasting cutting edge, high-speed steel, tough tooth design. Number 2. Olsen Saw FB23193DB 93.5 inch Heft Band 3 TPI Hook Saw Blade. Commercial-grade bandsaw blades for industrial, DIY and professional craftsmen. Floor-standing two-wheel bandsaws. Main features: highly durable, manufactured in China, easy to installation. Number 1. DeWalt Portable Bandsaw Blade 32 7/8 inch. RC 65 to 67 tooth hardness also increases wear resistance. They have an alloy steel backer for fatigue resistance. Main features: 8% cobalt content. Ideal for thick metal. Matrix 2 high-speed steel. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.